This converter makes it easy to keep a factory head unit while feeding clean preamplifier level signals to aftermarket amplifiers and subwoofers, so the overall system feels factory integrated but sounds far more powerful. Its bass restoration processing does an impressive job of bringing back low-frequency impact that many factory stereos quietly reduce at higher volume, giving subwoofers a much more consistent and satisfying punch. Independent gain adjustments for each stereo channel, along with a clear clipping indicator, let you dial in levels precisely and avoid distortion even in more complex installations. The included dash-mounted remote level knob is extremely convenient, allowing on-the-fly subwoofer adjustment from the driver's seat without digging into amplifier settings. Flexible turn-on options, including signal sensing and traditional remote input, make it straightforward to integrate with a wide range of modern vehicles without chasing ignition wires. Thoughtful touches like selectable load matching, ground isolation to fight noise, and a compact, easy-to-mount chassis show that this unit is designed with real-world installation challenges in mind.